First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the day 33 daily score booster questions. First, we are going with simplifications. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Let's see question number 1. Here 16.66 percentage of 396. 16.66 is nothing but 1 by 6. 1 by 6 means 6 times is 36 and 6 times. So the value of this one will be 66. How I get is 1 by 6 into 396. We get 66. This is 487. Okay, plus x equals to 6 cube will be 216 into 4. 4 6 times is 24. 6 8 864 minus sum of these two will be 13 9 15 5. So we get 1 1 2. Wait, 3 311 is our answer. Option A is our answer. Next, second question. Here x divided by 100 into 432. This 931 square will be 961, comes this side with minus. 28 square is 784 plus 231 minus this will be 961. 1 and 1 cancels, left with 4. 8 minus 6 will be 2. 2 plus 3 will be 5. 9 minus 9 0. Okay, so we have 54. X divided by 100 into 432 equals to 54. 54 8 times will be 432. So x value will be 100 divided by 8, which is 12.5. So answer will be 12.5, option C. Next, third question. If we see a number like this 0.5, then we'll write as 49 by 2 into 2 will be 49. 49 divided by 2. Okay, plus 7 cube will be 343. 14 5 times will be 70. 14 3 times will be 42. 49 490. This 343 comes to this side with the minus. We have 7. 8 minus 4 4. This will be 1. 49 3 times will be 147. So we have x divided by 2 equals to 3. So x value will be 3 2 times will be 6. Option C, option B is our answer. Next, here it is 16x plus first we do 2 times. 48 2 times will be 96. 96 2 times will be 192 plus 24 square 576. This is why we need to know the squares from 1 to 60 squares. 17 4 times will be 68. 17 6 times will be 102 108. So 1088 is the value for this one. This is why we need to know 20 into 20 tables also. Okay, so what we have is 16x equals to 1088 minus 192 minus 576. 8 minus 8. Okay, 0. Here we have 8. Here we have 16. 18 minus 16 will be 2. 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 will be 3. So 16x is equals to 320. X value will be 20. Option C is our answer. Next, fifth one. 1637 minus 34 square value is 1196. Wait a second. 1156. 34 square value is 1156. So we have 1 5 plus 3 8. Here 5 minus 1 4 481. This 3.33% means 1/3 of 189. 3 6 times and 3 times 63. This 63 comes this side with minus 63. We have 7 8 and 7 1 4 1 8 equals to x. So answer will be 418, option B. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. First question. Here I see 456. Let's divide this with 4, 1 times, 1 times and 4 times. I know 114 as 19 6 times. So 6 4 times will be 24. 19 and 24 we get 43. So these are the roots. 24 and 19 are the roots, minus and plus. So the roots are in positive. Here 306. I know 306 as 18 17 times will be 306. This is why we need to know 20 into 20 tables. Minus and plus means the roots are in positive. Okay. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Next, here it is 1024. X square value is 1024. So x value will be plus 32 minus 32. This is 1024. 1024 means 32. 32 times will be 1024. Minus and plus means these are in positive. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Next question. Here it is 420. 420 means let's divide this as 7 60 times. 60 means 15 4 times. So 7 4 times is 28 and 15 we get 43. So these are the roots, minus and plus. So the roots are in positive. Here 352. Some of these two will be in the middle. So it is 11 table. 32 11 times is 352. But we need to get 38. So let's divide this as 16 and 22. 16 2 times. 2 into 11 times. We get 22 and 16 are the roots. Okay. So these are the roots, and minus and plus means the roots are in positive. By comparing these two, it is clear that these two numbers comes in between these two. So x greater than y and x lesser than y comes here. So there is no relation between these two equations. Let's see fourth one. 3375. X cube value is 3375 means x value is 15. Here 255. Let's divide this as 5. 51 times. Let's divide this as 17 3 times. And we have 5 here. 5 3 times will be 15 and 17 are the roots. We get 32. Minus and plus will be plus and plus. So by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Next question. Here 198. This is 11 18 times. And here we have 2. So 22 18 times we got 40. Minus and plus means the roots are in positive. Here 153. 153 means 17 9 times, and we have 2 here. So 17 and 18 are the roots. Minus and plus means the roots are in positive. The bases are equal. So we'll compare these two. It is clear that x is greater than or equals to y. Now we are going to see wrong number series. For wrong number series, here it is clear that it is plus 3. Here it is also plus 3. Here it is into 3. And this is into 3. So this must be plus 3. But we cannot got plus 3 here. It must be into 3. But we don't get a correct value. So this is a wrong one. 21 3 times will be 63. 63 plus 3 will be 66. So wrong number will be 60. Next, here in this case the numbers are increasing with very little differences. So we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is 6 1 and 2. Here the difference is 5 2 and 1. This is 6 cube, this is 5 cube. Here the difference is 64 4 cube. So here the difference must be 3 cube 27 Here the difference must be 2 cube 8, and here the difference is 1 cube 1. Okay, here is 1, here it is 12. 2 cube is not 12, so it is wrong. 3 cube is 27, but here the difference is 23, so it is also wrong. So in between these two, 20 is our wrong number. Next one, here this is nearly into 3 times. 3 4 times is 12, 3 times 27, 28, plus 18 plus 3 plus 21. So into 3 plus 21, we get 303. If we do, it is also into 3 times. 3 2 times will be 3 times will be 903 909 plus 13, we get 922. So into 3 plus 13. Here it seems a little difficult. Let's see here. 25 into 3 times will be 75. 75 plus 19, we get 94. Here into 3, 6 plus 19, we get 25. So here is 19, here is 19, but here are not. So these two might be wrong. Let's see this one. Into 3, 6 27 plus 19, we get 2785. So here we have 13 and here 21. So these two are wrong numbers. So our wrong number is 303. Okay. So we got into 3 plus 19, into 3 plus 19, into 3 plus 19 is the series. But we have wrong here. So our wrong number is 303. Next question. These are rapidly increasing. Let's see what these are. I can see this is 2 cube and this is 3 power 4. This is, let's say it as 1 square. 1 square, 2 cube, 3 power 4. And I already know that 1024 is nothing but 4 power 5. So it must be 5 power 5. Let's see 5 power 5. I know 5 cube is 625, and 5 into 5 will be 25. 25 5 times 25 times will be 625. 625 25 6 times will be 150 156, but we get a 1675. So this is our wrong number. Here this will be 6 power 6. Okay, so this is our wrong number. Next question. Here the numbers are rapidly increasing. Let's see. It is into 4 times. It is into 2 times. Here it is into 6 times. Here it must be into 8 times. 8 times is 64. 8 4 times 32 and 6 84, and it must be into 10 times, which must not be 3 4 5 6 3 4 3 8 4 0. So this is our wrong number. Now we are going to see missing number series. First question. Let's see differences here. Here the difference is 34. Here the difference is 7 4 47. Here the difference is 2 and 6. Let's see double differences. Here the difference is minus 13. Here the difference is minus 15. Odd numbers. Let's take the difference between these two is 17. So 62 plus 17 will be 79. Let's take another difference of 19 here. 79 and 19 will be 98. So 22 plus 98 will be 120. 120 plus 79 will be 199. So our answer will be option B, 120. Next, here we have 16 13 41. It is nearly 4 times. 4 1 times 4, 4 times 16 plus 3. So into 4 plus 3. Here it will be into 3 will be 39. 39 plus 2. It is into 2, 12 plus 1. So into 2 plus 1, into 3 plus 2, into 4 plus 3, into 5 plus 4. 7 5 times 35, 7 5 6 times 30, 33, 8 835 plus 4, 839. So 839 is our answer. Let's see further also. Into 6 plus 5, 9 6 times will be 54, 4 plus 5 will be 9. So our answer is 839. Next, sixth one. Let's see differences here. The difference is 1. Here the difference is 2. Here the difference is 6. Here it is into 2 times, into 3 times. Let's take it as into 4 times. We have 24. Here into 5 times, 120. 70 in plus 24 will be 94. 94 plus 120 will be 214. So our answer will be 94, option A. Next one. Here we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is minus into and 729. Here the difference is plus 215. These are cube values, 9 cube and 8 cube values. Here minus 3 4 3 7 cube. So it must be the value of 6 cube plus 6 cube, 216. So answer will be 7 4 6 1647. Here must be minus 125. 1647 minus 125 will be 1522. So our answer will be 1647. Option D is our answer. Next question. Here the difference between these two is 50. Here the difference between these two is 37. Here we have 26. Here we have 17. Let's see further differences. Double difference. Here it is 13. Here the difference is 11. Here the difference is 9. So here the difference must be 7. So the difference between these two is 10. Here it will be 213 plus 10 will be 223. So our answer will be 223, option A. Now we are going to see inequalities. The method I use here is the flow method. The flow from, if we see a symbol like this, the flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, I say the flow from this side to this side. Let's see with the questions. First question, the first conclusion is the flow from P to J. From P we cannot able to reach to J, so first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from K to J with everywhere equal to also. From K we can reach up to Q but not to J, so second conclusion is also false. Okay, now we are going to see second question, the flow from Q to P. From Q we can reach to P, so first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from M to N, from N we can reach to N, so it is also true. Next, third one, the flow from Q to S. From Q there is a flow to S and there is everywhere equal to also, so individually the first conclusion and the second conclusion is false, but combining both the conclusions we have the flow of Q to S with everywhere equal to, by combining these two conclusions, and we have the same flow in our question, so it is either or case, either 1 or 2 is the answer for this one. Next, fourth one, the flow from U to T. From U we can reach to P, from P we can reach to K, from K we can reach to T. So first one will be true. Second one, the flow from F to P. From F we can reach to T, from T we cannot able to reach to P, so second conclusion will be false. Next, fifth question, the flow from S to K. From S we can reach to L, from L we can reach to K, but there is everywhere equal to also, so individually first case and the second case fails, but combining these two we have the flow of S to K with the equal to also, and we have the same in our question. So it is either 1 or 2 is the answer for this one. Okay, now we are going to see syllogisms. Syllogisms. First question, only a few P or Q, some Q or W, all W or X. Let's see conclusions. Some X can be T, some part of X can share with T. So first conclusion will be true. Second question, all T are W. It is direct conclusion. We need to check the direct meaning of this one in basic diagram. All T is inside W. No. So second conclusion will be false. Second question, all teacher are principal. Only a few teacher are student. No principal is school. Let's see conclusions. All principal can be students. All principal can be placed inside students. It is not possible because of this one. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, all students can never. We see never here. So we check all students can be school. All students can be placed inside school. No, it is not possible. All case fails means all can never, all not is possible here. So it is true. Next one, third one. Some papaya or apple. All apple are lychee. Only lychee is kiwi. So it means kiwi is inside lychee and doesn't share with anything except lychee. Conclusions. No apple is kiwi. There is K doesn't share with anything except lychee. So it is clear that apple and kiwi doesn't share anything. So first one will be true. Second conclusion, all lychee can be papaya. All lychee can be placed inside papaya. No, it is not possible because of kiwi. Kiwi does not share anything without except lychee. So second conclusion will be false. Let's see fourth question. Only a few summer or winter. All winter or spring. Only a few season or the spring. Let's see conclusions. All summer can be spring. All summer can be placed inside spring. Yes, it is possible. So first conclusion will be true. No winter is season is a possibility. First we leave is a possibility side. No winter is season. We check some winter is season or not. Some winter can share with the season. It is possible. So some case possible means no case fails. And it is saying false is a possibility. So answer will be second conclusion, possible. Okay, this is what if we have false and saying about possibility, then it will be true. If we have true and saying about possibility, then our answer will be false. Okay, let's see fifth question. Some pea are tomato. Some pea are tomato. Some potatoes are not tomatoes. Some potatoes are not tomatoes. All tomatoes are drumstick. Let's see conclusions. All tomato can be pea. All tomatoes can be placed inside P. Yes, it is possible. So first conclusion will be true. Next, second conclusion. Some tomatoes are not drumstick is a possibility. Firstly, is a possibility side. Some tomatoes are not drumsticks. We check all tomatoes can be placed inside drumsticks. All tomatoes can be placed inside drumsticks. It is already in drumsticks. All case is possible. All tomatoes are inside drumstick. It is true. All case true means some not case will be false. Some not case false and saying about possibility. So our conclusion will be true. Now we are going to see a reasoning puzzle. books in a stack reasoning puzzle. Okay, let's see the question. 9 books. Wait a second. 9 books are kept one above another in a stack. It is assumed that no other book are kept in a stack other than the given books. So the statements are: civics is kept immediately below humanities. Immediately below humanities book, the book is civics. So these are immediate one. This is how we represent with box for immediate people. Okay, next one. As many books kept between civics and chemistry as above biology. Civics and chemistry is same as above biology. Okay, next one. Physics is kept 2 books below biology. What it means is biology one, second one is physics. This is what it means. Physics is kept 2 books below biology. This one. Next. Wait a second. Okay. English is kept above geography. English is kept above geography. Next one. But refers to English. English is not kept adjacent to physics. So English and physics does not be adjacent to each other. Okay. Next, we see history is kept 5 books above chemistry. Let's see chemistry here. 5 books above is history, means 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth one is history. So this is one statement. Okay, next. Only one book is kept between chemistry and history. One book between chemistry and Hindi. Chemistry and Hindi. Only one book between chemistry and Hindi. Next. Only 3 books are kept between humanities and Hindi. Humanities and Hindi. 3 books kept between humanities and Hindi. By this we have completed our question. Let's start our question using these rough statements. So there are 9 books in a stack. First we are going to start with this one because of history, chemistry. We have chemistry here. So we'll start with history and chemistry. Here if we have history 1, 2, 3, 4, this is chemistry. We have chemistry and Hindi, in between there is only one person, so it might be the place for Hindi, or else we have another possibility of history 1, 2, 3, 4, chemistry, and Hindi in down here. Okay, so we got 2 possibilities. Okay, we have completed this part and this part. Next we need to see if we have Hindi, then we have humanities. Here Hindi and humanities, in between there are 3 persons. It is nearly to number 9, so the humanities will be in the this place. Humanities 1, 2, 3 humanities. In this case we can place 1, 2, 3 humanities in the top, or 1, 2, 3 humanities in the below. Let's take it in the below. If we fail in this case, we will take another possibility of humanities in the top. Okay. So we got humanities. If we got humanities, we can place civics in the below. Civics. Humanities below one is civics. Okay, this one also completed. Civics and chemistry, as many people between them is same as above biology. Here there is no gap between them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So no gap between them means there is no people, no books above biology. So this is in the top. So here it is completed. Here we have chemistry and civics. In between there are two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So biology place is here. Biology above there is 1 and 2 books. So this is the place for biology. Okay, we have completed this also. Biology dash and physics. Biology dash, this is the place for physics. In this case, this is the place for physics. So what we left is English and geography. English does not be adjacent to physics. So in this case, English is above geography. So this is the place for geography. And this is the place for English we left. But in our question, English and physics does not be adjacent. Here we get English and physics adjacent. So this case fails. In this case, it is the place for English and this is the place for geography. And here English is does not be adjacent. Here does not adjacent to physics. So this is our solution. So this is the answer for our puzzle. Let's see the questions asked. Here the first question is, which of the following book is kept above the geography book? Okay, above geography. The options given here are humanities, physics and Hindi. Humanities is below the geography. So first one false. Second one, physics S, Hindi S. So answer will be both 2 and 3. Option C is our answer. First one answer is C. Next one, which of the following book is kept 2 books below physics? 2 books below physics means 1 and 2, which is geography. So answer will be A, geography. Second one answer is A. Third one, how many books are kept between humanities and chemistry? This is humanity and this is chemistry. There is only one book. So answer will be option D, 1. Next, fourth question. What is the position of biology book with respect to chemistry? With respect to chemistry, biology book 1 to 3rd. 3 books above chemistry. 3 books above chemistry. So answer is option B. Okay. Next, fifth question. If Hindi book and humanity books interchanged, so Hindi and humanities are interchanged. Similarly, geography and physics are interchanged. Geography and physics are interchanged. Then how many books are kept between physics and humanities? This is the place for humanities now. And this is the place for physics. There are 2 books in between them. So answer will be C, 2. By this we have completed our today's daily score booster questions. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.